and our team consists of myself, George Garcia, the CEO, and I'm going to present the other team members, which consists of our marketing director,
Mrs. Antares,
our financial director, and our human resources director. So the agenda for today will consist of myself giving the business concept overview, and then later on I will be presenting the IT operational plan. Mrs. Altares will be speaking about our market assessment as well as our marketing strategy. Mira Yeager will be describing our human resources plan, and Lucille McElroy is going to be describing our financial plan as well as our exit strategy. So I'm sure many of you have heard a lot of things about the cloud lately. The cloud is the most important paradigm shift in IT since the invention of the internet. And there's already a lot of companies around the world that are already beginning to make the transition to this new computing model. Our company mission for us at Code 4 will be to help our business clients in using the latest IT technology to achieve their business goals by forming a partnership with them. We're going to be attempting to make a trusted advisor role with our customers, and our motto is that we focus on your IT so that you, as a business owner, can focus on running your business. Other very important values that we're going to strive for is that whenever we come up with a solution for our customers, we look at the overall business goals, not just the IT perspective when deciding on a course of action. We're going to take complete accountability of the network and assist in any way that we can possibly help them out. And when we communicate with our customers, we're going to be using regular language, not some kind of geek speak or computer language. So a lot of business owners today are experiencing a lot of very difficult problems today. They're seeing a rising cost in hardware, software, licensing, dealing with an increasing IT complexity, and having to pay for their own internal staff to deal with these problems that many times are not integrated. They're in bits and pieces, so they're not able to communicate with each other, which creates redundant work, and which they have databases in different locations, so it makes more work for them internally. Business owners are asking a lot of things of IT nowadays with a budget that's either flat or getting cut. But they're asking IT to minimize costs, maximize operational efficiency and agility, maximize application and service delivery, and also minimize impact or failures. And the cloud is one of the solutions that can help them. The cloud delivers agility, focus, and economics. Agility refers to a company's ability to either ramp up or ramp down depending on the activity level that they require. So they're not stuck on one certain level of infrastructure. Focus refers to the ability for the company to reallocate either their resources, their capital, or their staff towards meeting strategic business goals and not just keeping the lights on for IT. And economics refers to the economics of scale that you can enjoy when you move to the cloud. The cloud can dramatically reduce your overall cost of IT ownership. Other features of the cloud is that your applications are always up and running. You get more disaster recovery ability. You have the ability to bring your products to the market with a lot more speed. You can shift your expenditures from a capital expenditure to an operational expenditure model. And you can actually even increase your security if your company is not properly conducting the right level of security. So in the past, it was only the big guys like ESPN, Disney, or Coca-Cola that had their own private cloud. These are the big guys who can afford to have their own private cloud. Code 4 can bring the private cloud to the small and medium businesses, and when we get our customers to the cloud, we're going to get them there in a safe, operationally efficient, and cost-effective manner. So as you can see from these numbers clearly, it's a projection of the cloud market in the year 2020, which is projected to be $241 billion market by that year, rising up from $555 billion in the year 2014 and $40.7 billion in the year 2010. You can clearly see from these numbers, it's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when these companies are going to be moving to the cloud. So Code 4 hopes that they choose us to partner with to get them there. This is a breakdown of the cloud services industry, and we're going to be operating in the following sectors. We're going to be delivering computer network and network management services, IT technical support services, data storage and management services, application service provisioning, and business process management. We're going to be focusing our approach on targeting a small business, which is in the HVAC, the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning market. We have chosen this as a target client because they use software and they require mobility solutions. They require information that's on a real-time basis. So we're going to bundle this offering for them, and it's going to consist of Microsoft Office 365, line of business productivity software, and a fleet resources management software. We're going to be providing hosted virtual desktops running either Windows 7 or Windows 8. And these desktops will be accessible from any device, including Android, iPhones, iPads, or Windows PCs. We're going to be providing a hosted virtual server running Windows Server 2012, SQL Server 2012, in case that company requires some kind of a database for their company. And they're going to get our specialized staff of managed IT cloud services, which consists of 24/7 help desk and 365 days a year monitoring. So I'm going to describe a little bit that particular fleet resource management software. They're going to increase their operational ability to look at the resources on the field on a real-time basis from their own customer dashboard, which in turn will lead to more fuel efficiency. They're going to optimize their routing for reductions in mileage, which in turn stops burning their bucks. Fewer gallons means that they can reach more of their green initiatives internally and increase their responsiveness, which in turn leads to an increase in safety of the resources that they have out there of their company. So here to talk about our marketing strategy is Moises Altares.
Thank you for that introduction, George. Let me begin our market analysis with an article that was posted in the Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration News. The title of the article is Using Cloud Technology to Manage